Good morning and a warm welcome everyone. First, we will start with global markets and with strategies on some stocks and indices. Softer data points will help Fed to take a pause in the coming meeting on the interest rate hike. Job openings fell to 8.83 million in July, the lowest since March 2021, and consumer confidence deteriorated by the most in 2 years in August. Also, if we go through with today's monthly employment report, which is also expected to signal a measured slowdown in hiring. All these data points are indicating towards Fed may take pause in the coming meeting, and that will actually help emerging markets to move higher. IT stocks should do well, and FIs flows will increase towards emerging markets. But currently, Indian markets are facing consistent selling from FIs. They sold more than 17,000 crores in the equities, thanks to domestic institutions, as they have bought or absorbed the selling pressure by adding 19,000 crores to the current month. Again, if we go through with the global macros, then the bond yield, which was around some 4.23, is now at 4.10, 4.11, and the dollar index is at 103.5 to 103.6, which will help emerging markets to trade in the green. Certainly, it will minimize the downside for the market. Now, if we go through with our markets, then it is in the range. It is not breaking the levels of 19,300, 280 on the downside. On the upside, 19,380, 400 is going to act as major resistance. Above 19,400, we are expecting some short covering. That will help the market to move towards 19,480 or 500. So it is like going to be more level-based sort of pattern for the market, and above 19,400 we can expect some short covering. For the bank Nifty, there also it is in the range close to 45,000. Now it has strong or good amount of resistance, and on immediate basis 44,750 is going to act as major resistance. We need to be more and more stock specific, but Nifty IT index is narrowing down its overall trading activity, which will help Nifty IT index to enter into a breakout mode. So above 31,300 we are expecting Nifty IT to do well. If we go through with the stock specific and sector specific activity, then we saw some activity in metals, chemicals, as well as in select IT companies. From the metal space, we like Tata Steel as well as JSPL. Above 120 we can expect next levels close to 127, 128 based on the pivot tables and averages. Also for JSPL, there also we are expecting upward activity towards 690 or 700 if we see further more activity in the metal space. But on immediate basis, 690 is going to act as resistance for JSPL. From the chemical space, we like Navin Fluorine as well as we are bullish on SRF. Both the stocks are very close to their important resistance level, and based on their current formation, 2500 is the next resistance level for SRF, and for Navin Fluorine 4850. From the select IT companies or mid-cap IT companies, we like L&T, Infotech, Mindtree, as well as we are bullish on Naukri, that is InfoEdge. So both these stocks are very close to their support levels, and from here we are expecting upward activity. Broadly, we need to be more and more stock specific, and above 19,400 if we see the market is sustaining, then we should look for adding some index heavyweights. That's all from my side. With this, I'm ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening me. Have a great day to all of you.